Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to consider about memory operand addressing mode type, and that is indexed, right? We have already considered three other types earlier than this tutorial. So this is the fourth type we are discussing, and this is indexed memory operand addressing mode. We know that in memory operand addressing mode, the picture is very important about effective address, right? Effective address will refer to your memory operand. In index memory operand, the calculation of effective address is index plus displacement, right? What is index? Index will be the value of either source index register or destination index register, right? So index value will come either of these register, right? And displacement value, there will be either 16-bit number or 8-bit number will be given in the instruction, right? And this way will be used to calculate the value of effective address, and that instruction which is following this format of effective address will be considered following the instruction addressing mode of indexed, right? So let's go to the example and calculate the effective address calculation so that this concept become much more clearer. Okay, this is the instruction which is given here. Let me write it for you. Move al comma in bracket it is si plus 1 2 3 4 hertz, right? So si is used. Si is basically what our index register, and what is the value of si value is given here as 0 sorry 2000, and the displacement is a 16-bit displacement given, which is 1234, right? So if we calculate the physical address of this specific memory location, this is the memory location because there is a square bracket, and index addressing mode is used because index plus sub displacement is shown here. So if we calculate the physical address calculation, SPA would be what, there is no segment register mentioned, so data will segment will be used, and data segment value is 02000 00200. And for effective address, uh, one can see that effective address will be index plus displacement. Index is what, si, and displacement is 1234 hex, right? So if we sum them up, it will lead towards what, source value is what, source index value is 2000 plus 1234, and if we add them up, it will be equal to what, 0 plus 4 would become 4, 3 plus 0 would become 3, 2 plus 0 would become 2, and 1 plus 2 would become 3. So 3 2 3 4, it is the uh, effective address value in this calculation or in this instruction. And if we calculate the complete physical address, that would be is SPA is what, 02000 colon, then effective address is 3234 hex. And if we calculate the complete value, that will become 0200 multiplied by 10 plus 3234, it will become 02000 plus 3234. And if we uh, completely evaluate this value, that would become 4 plus 0 4, 3 plus 0 3, 2 plus 0 2, and 3 plus 2 would become 5 and 0. So the physical address we are talking about in is basically uh, this one, right? So this is the physical address which is pointed by this specific memory location. So if we go to that location, what is the value? The value of this is the location. Let me encircle it or square it basically. So 05234 value is basically what, BE. And what we want to do, we want to move it towards AL register because this says that this is the memory location that will be used as a source operand. Whatever the content, you will have to move into AL. And what is the AL register? AL register value is currently we don't know. So if we execute this instruction, this BE should be moved in AL, right? Furthermore, this is the 4 byte instruction. One can see that, right? So IP will be incremented by 4 units. So let's see if this is going to happen or not. Let's execute this instruction. And if we execute it, This is the situation after the execution. We can see that this BE value has moved here in AX lower part of AX register, which is the AL register, and furthermore the IP value has incremented. This value of IP is incremented by 4 units, because earlier it was 00 and now it has become 0004. I hope you have understand this concept of index addressing mode. Still, if you have any confusion or query, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.